Hey Excel fans, welcome back to the channel eLearning Excel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful Excel functions, Zlookup. But not just the basics. We're going to learn how to use it with multiple matching criteria. Let's level up your lookup game. What is Zlookup? Zlookup is a modern replacement for VLOOKUP and index match. It allows you to search a range or array and return a corresponding value. But what if you need to match more than one condition? That's what we'll explore today. Let's say you have a sales table, and you want to find the sales amount for a specific product and region. A single Zlookup won't cut it. We need to combine criteria. Here's the trick. We create a helper column that combines the criteria into one string. Then we use Zlookup to search that combined value. We will combine the criteria with a simple text formula. In this example, we are looking for phone in column I and east in column J. We connect them using the ampersand character. So the matching character for the Zlookup function will be phone east. So we have the matching character. But how do we enter the arguments for the Zlookup function? We will insert a function from the category lookup and reference. Function is lookup. The first argument lookup value is in the helper column. The second argument lookup array is calculated directly in the function, again using a text formula with an ampersand. Well, the third argument return array is in column E. Look at the calculation again. This is how we do it using a helper column if we have a large set of data, for example tables that have several 100,000 rows. If our tables are small, and there is no risk of slowing things down, then we do the joining of conditions directly inside the Zlookup function, like this. Again, you can see how the function arguments are specified. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips every week. Got questions or want to see more Zlookup tricks? Drop a comment below.